BJP President JP Nada yauna ingsok lising aniga kun marida Rajya Sabha gi MP kaya sahi manga mapung pharaduna thabaktagi pothagadawi hairi. Upper House ki MP humpugonipan sahi manga mapung pharagadawba sing adugi manungda Union Minister kaya su yauri hairi. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, Environment Minister Bhupinder Yadav, Health Minister Mansukh Madavia na chingba BJP gi masak nairaba MP kaya yauri hairi. India gi hanagi Prime Minister Manmohan Singh chu lakliba April thada sahi manga gi mapung pharagani hairi.
Very proud record of our dedicated service to the nation. As Mother Teresa has said, I convert Hindu to become a better Hindu. I am happy just now Mr. Goyal was here. He must have left. Piyush Goyal is there. Goyal is a product of Don Bosco School. I am also a product of Don Bosco School. You know? So as Mother Teresa said, Goyal has been, from a Hindu, he has been made to an educated Hindu. Better Hindu. And he became a Union Minister today. We have converted L.K. Advani from Hindu to a better Hindu because he is also a product of St. Patrick's School in Pakistan. So he has become Deputy Prime Minister of this country. This is how we convert. The product of St. Xavier's College was the product of Loyola College in Chennai. Today, sir, if you look at the biodata of people who matter in this country, be it politicians, be it judges, be it educationists, be it IAS officers or IFS officers, be it in the Bollywood, you know, it's the product of St. Columbus School here. And we Christians have made him a better and a superstar by educating him in St. Columbus. Why can't the country acknowledge that? Why are you shy of acknowledging this? We have contributed and we will continue to contribute. Therefore, I once again want an assurance from the government that minorities in India shall be protected. Thank you, sir.